What happens when you eat rosemary every day? Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis, is an aromatic herb with needle-like leaves that is widely used in culinary and medicinal applications. Here are some potential health benefits associated with rosemary. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that play a crucial role in protecting the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging in various diseases, including cancer and cardiovascular diseases. The main antioxidants found in rosemary include rosmarinic acid. This polyphenolic compound has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is found in various herbs, including rosemary, and is believed to contribute to the herb's health benefits. Carnosic acid, another important antioxidant in rosemary. Carnosic acid has been studied for its potential neuroprotective and anti-cancer effects. It may help protect cells from oxidative stress. Carnosol, like carnosic acid, carnosol is a polyphenolic compound in rosemary with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It has been investigated for its potential health benefits. These antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals, preventing them from causing damage to DNA, proteins, and lipids in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, antioxidants contribute to overall cellular health and may play a role in preventing or mitigating certain diseases. Incorporating rosemary into your diet, such as by using it as a seasoning in cooking, can be a flavorful way to benefit from its antioxidant content. Additionally, using rosemary essential oil in aromatherapy or skincare may provide antioxidant effects when applied topically or inhaled. However, it's important to remember that while antioxidants are beneficial, they are just one aspect of a healthy and balanced lifestyle, which includes a varied and nutrient-rich diet, regular physical activity, and other healthy habits. Rosemary is known to possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can be attributed to several compounds found in the herb, including rosmarinic acid, carnosol, and other polyphenol. Here's how rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties may be beneficial. Rosmarinic acid. This compound is known for its anti-inflammatory effects. It works by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory substances in the body, helping to reduce inflammation. Rosmarinic acid has been studied for its potential in managing inflammatory conditions. Carnosol, another key component of rosemary, carnosol, has demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties. It may inhibit certain inflammatory pathways, contributing to its potential to alleviate inflammation. Antioxidant effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary are closely linked to its antioxidant activity. By neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, rosemary helps to dampen inflammation, as inflammation and oxidative stress are often interconnected. Potential joint health. Chronic inflammation is associated with conditions like arthritis, and the anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary may have a positive impact on joint health. Some studies suggest that rosemary extracts may help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory joint conditions. It's important to note that while rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties are promising, more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms involved and to establish specific recommendations for therapeutic use. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory effects of rosemary are just one aspect of its overall health benefits. Incorporating rosemary into your diet, such as by using it as a culinary herb, or using rosemary essential oil in aromatherapy or topical applications may offer these potential anti-inflammatory benefits. However, it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have a specific medical condition or are considering using rosemary as part of a treatment plan. Rosemary has traditionally been used to aid digestion, and its potential digestive benefits are attributed to various compounds found in the herb. Here's how rosemary may contribute to improved digestion. Stimulation of digestive enzymes. Rosemary may help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, including bile, which is essential for the breakdown of fats in the digestive system. Adequate bile production supports the absorption of nutrients from the digestive tract. Relief from indigestion. The carminative properties of rosemary may help alleviate indigestion and bloating. Carminatives are substances that can help reduce gas and relieve symptoms of indigestion. Antispasmodic effects. Rosemary may have antispasmodic effects, meaning it may help relax the muscles of the digestive tract. This can potentially ease spasms and discomfort associated with digestive issues. Potential for IBS relief. some studies have explored the use of rosemary in managing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. The herb's anti-inflammatory and soothing properties may contribute to relief from certain digestive symptoms associated with IBS. To incorporate rosemary for digestive benefits, it can be used in cooking to flavor various dishes. Adding rosemary to roasted meats, vegetables, and soups is a popular culinary application. Additionally, rosemary tea, made by steeping fresh or dried rosemary leaves in hot water, may be consumed for its potential digestive benefits. While rosemary is generally considered safe for culinary use, it's important to note that individual responses to herbs can vary. If you have specific digestive concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before using rosemary or any other herbal remedy for therapeutic purposes. The aroma of rosemary has been associated with potential cognitive benefits, particularly in terms of memory and concentration. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms involved, some studies and historical uses suggest a positive impact. Here's how rosemary may influence memory and concentration. Aromatherapy effects. Inhaling the scent of rosemary essential oil has been linked to improvements in cognitive performance, alertness, and mood. The aroma of rosemary may have stimulating effects on the brain, promoting a state of heightened awareness. Potential impact on memory. Some studies have explored the effects of rosemary on memory. It is believed that certain compounds in rosemary, such as 1,8-cineol, may interact with neurotransmitters in the brain, potentially enhancing memory retention and recall. Historical use for memory enhancement. Rosemary has a long history of being associated with memory enhancement. In ancient Greece and Rome, students would wear garlands of rosemary during exams to improve their memory. This historical use has contributed to the herb's reputation as a symbol of remembrance. To incorporate rosemary for potential cognitive benefits. Aromatherapy. Diffusing rosemary essential oil in your living or workspace may provide a pleasant scent and potentially support cognitive function. Herbal teas. Drinking rosemary tea made from fresh or dried leaves may offer a mild aromatic experience and contribute to the potential cognitive effects. Culinary use. Including rosemary in your cooking not only adds flavor but may also provide subtle aromatic benefits. It's important to note that individual responses to aromas can vary, and the effects of rosemary on memory and concentration may not be universally experienced. While incorporating rosemary into your routine can be a pleasant and aromatic addition, it's always advisable to seek professional advice if you have specific cognitive concerns or conditions. Rosemary has demonstrated antimicrobial effects, meaning it may have the ability to inhibit the growth or kill microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. Several compounds found in rosemary contribute to its antimicrobial properties. Here's how rosemary may exert its effects. Rosmarinic acid. This polyphenolic compound found in rosemary has been shown to have antimicrobial activity against a variety of bacteria and fungi. It is believed to disrupt the cell membranes of microorganisms, leading to their inhibition or destruction. Essential oils. The essential oil derived from rosemary contains various volatile compounds, including 1,8-cineol, camphor, and borneol, which contribute to its antimicrobial properties. Essential oils are often used in natural remedies and skincare products for their potential to combat harmful microorganisms. Carnosic acid and carnosol. These compounds, present in rosemary, have been studied for their antimicrobial effects. They may interfere with the growth and survival of bacteria. Food preservation. Historically, rosemary has been used as a natural preservative for food. Its antimicrobial properties contribute to its ability to prevent the spoilage of certain foods, especially those prone to bacterial contamination. The antimicrobial effects of rosemary make it a potentially useful ingredient in natural and herbal remedies, as well as in food preservation. It's important to note that while rosemary may have antimicrobial properties, it is not a substitute for proper hygiene practices, and its use should be complementary to standard hygiene measures. If you are considering using rosemary for its antimicrobial effects, whether in herbal preparations or topical applications, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or herbalist to ensure its appropriate and safe use, especially if you have specific health conditions or concerns. Research has explored the potential cancer-fighting properties of compounds found in rosemary, although it's important to note that findings are preliminary, and more studies are needed to fully understand the mechanisms and clinical implications. Some compounds in rosemary that have been studied for their potential anti-cancer effects include carnosic acid. This compound found in rosemary has shown promise in laboratory studies for its potential anti-cancer properties. Carnosic acid has been investigated for its ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, induce apoptosis, program cell death, and prevent the spread of cancer. Carnosol, similar to carnosic acid, carnosol has been studied for its potential anti-cancer effects. It may exert anti-inflammatory and antioxidant actions, contributing to its potential protective effects against cancer development. Rosmarinic acid, this polyphenolic compound, present in rosemary, has demonstrated antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. While research is ongoing, these properties may contribute to its potential in preventing cancer or inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. It's important to approach these findings with caution, as most research has been conducted in laboratory settings or animal studies. Human clinical trials are necessary to establish the effectiveness and safety of rosemary compounds as cancer-fighting agents. If you are considering using rosemary or its extracts for potential health benefits, including its anti-cancer properties, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. While incorporating rosemary into your diet as a culinary herb is generally safe, using concentrated forms such as supplements or extracts may have different effects and could interact with medications or existing health conditions. Overall, while the potential anti-cancer properties of rosemary compounds are an exciting area of research, more evidence is needed before specific recommendations can be made for cancer prevention or treatment. Always seek guidance from healthcare professionals for personalized advice based on your individual health status. Rosemary has been traditionally associated with potential stress-reducing effects, particularly when used in aromatherapy. Here's how rosemary may contribute to stress reduction. Aromatherapy, the inhalation of rosemary essential oil has been linked to stress reduction and mood enhancement. Aromatherapy involves inhaling the scent of essential oils, and certain aromatic compounds in rosemary may have a calming effect on the nervous system. Potential sedative effects. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in rosemary, such as 1,8-cineol, may have sedative or calming effects. These effects may contribute to relaxation and stress relief. Cognitive performance. The cognitive benefits of rosemary, including improved concentration and memory, may indirectly contribute to stress reduction by promoting mental clarity and focus. To incorporate rosemary for potential stress reduction. Diffusion. Use a diffuser to disperse the scent of rosemary essential oil in your home or workspace. Topical application. Diluted rosemary essential oil can be applied to the skin for a soothing massage or added to bath water. Herbal tea. Drinking rosemary tea made from fresh or dried leaves may offer a calming ritual and contribute to a sense of relaxation. It's important to note that individual responses to aromas can vary, and while rosemary may have calming effects for some, it may not have the same impact on everyone. Additionally, the relaxation benefits of rosemary are part of a holistic approach to stress management and should be complemented by other healthy lifestyle practices such as regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a balanced diet. If you have specific concerns about stress or anxiety, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to determine an appropriate and comprehensive approach to managing stress in your individual circumstances. Rosemary is often recognized for its potential benefits for hair and skin health. Here are some ways in which rosemary may contribute to the well-being of hair and skin. Hair health. Stimulating hair growth. Rosemary oil has been traditionally used to stimulate hair growth. Some studies suggest that it may enhance blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair follicle health. Preventing hair loss. The antioxidant properties of rosemary may help prevent hair loss by protecting the scalp and hair follicles from oxidative stress. Dandruff control. Rosemary oil has antimicrobial properties that may help control dandruff caused by fungal infections. It can be used in hair care products or as a scalp treatment. Improving scalp health. Massaging diluted rosemary oil into the scalp may help improve circulation, reduce dryness, and nourish the hair roots. Skin health. Antioxidant protection. The antioxidants in rosemary, such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, may help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, supporting overall skin health. Anti-inflammatory effects. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to soothing irritated skin and reducing redness or inflammation. Acne management. The antimicrobial properties of rosemary may be beneficial for acne-prone skin by helping to control the growth of acne-causing bacteria. Anti-aging potential. The antioxidants in rosemary may play a role in preventing premature aging by reducing oxidative stress, which is a key factor in the aging process. How to use. Hair rinse. Prepare a rosemary-infused hair rinse by steeping fresh or dried rosemary in hot water, then cooling and straining. Use this as a final rinse after shampooing. Scalp massage. Dilute rosemary essential oil with a carrier oil, such as jojoba or coconut oil, and massage it into the scalp to stimulate blood flow. Skincare products. Look for skincare products that contain rosemary extracts or essential oil for added antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. Herbal baths. Adding rosemary leaves to a warm bath may provide benefits for both the skin and hair. As with any natural remedy, it's important to perform a patch test to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction, especially if you have sensitive skin. Additionally, if you have specific skin or hair concerns, it's advisable to consult with a dermatologist or healthcare professional for personalized advice. Rosemary has been traditionally used for its potential analgesic, pain-relieving properties, and some research suggests that it may have beneficial effects in alleviating pain. Here are ways in which rosemary may contribute to pain relief. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary, particularly compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosol, may help reduce inflammation and the associated pain. Inflammation is a common component of various types of pain, including joint pain and muscle soreness. Muscle relaxant. Rosemary oil, when applied topically, may act as a muscle relaxant. Massaging diluted rosemary oil into sore or tense muscles might help alleviate discomfort and promote relaxation. Joint pain. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects of rosemary may be beneficial for individuals experiencing joint pain, such as that associated with conditions like arthritis. Headache relief. Inhaling the scent of rosemary essential oil may offer relief from headaches. Aromatherapy using rosemary oil has been associated with reduced headache intensity and duration. How to use for pain relief. Topical application. Dilute rosemary essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil, and massage it into the affected area for localized pain relief. Aromatherapy. Inhale the scent of rosemary essential oil through a diffuser or by placing a few drops on a cloth. This method may be particularly helpful for headaches or stress-related pain. Herbal compress. Make a warm compress infused with rosemary by steeping rosemary leaves in hot water, soaking a cloth, and applying it to the affected area. Rosemary tea. While not as concentrated as essential oil, drinking rosemary tea may provide general anti-inflammatory effects that could contribute to overall pain relief. While rosemary may offer relief for mild to moderate pain, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for persistent or severe pain conditions. Additionally, individual responses to herbal remedies can vary, and caution should be exercised, especially if you have allergies or sensitivities. Always perform a patch test and seek professional advice if needed. It's important to note that while these potential health benefits are supported by some scientific studies, more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms and establish specific recommendations for therapeutic use. As with any herb or supplement, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating rosemary into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications.